Hey there, welcome to the Electric Valentines. I'm Jerry. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at the new Cross Glide mount from Janka's workshop. This mount was designed specifically with the Rivian in mind, so I'm excited to show you exactly how it works. We're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to install it in the Rivian, so let's get to it. So here we have the new Cross Glide mount from Janka's workshop. Now, this is a pre-production unit that Janka sent me to test out, but this has some pretty cool features for us Rivian owners. Here's what's in the package. We have 4 packages here. This is the device side mount for the Comma 3X, as well as some cables. This is the Y splitter that takes the OBD-C and the longitudinal wires and combine them to one. This is the Comma 4 mount, and this is the 8-degree wedge for both devices. All right, let's get this thing installed. Now, installation of the unit is pretty simple, especially if you already have your wires run. I'm just going to take off the magnetic adapter and then attach the Y adapter cable to these 2 wires. It basically combines both of these wires into one wire that will attach to the Janka mount. So as you can see, we'll just have one wire hanging out of the mirror housing rather than 2. Now we're going to mount this right on the center of that mirror hump. That actually represents the center of the Rivian windshield. Get everything closed up. And now we'll mount the Comma 4. Make sure everything boots up correctly. And it is booting right into Sunny Pilot, so the cable does seem to be working. No glitches, everything is working perfectly. All right, we're going to switch out the Comma 4 for the Comma 3X and see if that works okay. Everything booting up beautifully. No issues whatsoever. All right, let's take this thing for a drive and see how it performs. In the interest of full transparency, I do want to let you know that Janka did send me this unit as a review unit, but as always, I give it to you straight. You're going to get my actual opinion. This isn't a paid sponsorship, but that being said, I do really like this unit. So having used the new Cross Glide mount for a couple of days now, I don't see any degradation in the driving quality. So it seems like that Y splitter cable that combines the 2 cables, the long cable and the OBD-C, into one, doesn't seem to have any kind of detrimental effect. And what this also means is that we can potentially simplify installations going forward, because while I have the splitter up in the rear view mirror housing, there's no reason why that splitter couldn't be down in the passenger footwell at the harness, meaning you could run 1 cable up the A-pillar instead of 2. Now the way that Janka does this is in the Comma side of the harness, he has a setup that's, while specific to the Rivian, could potentially be useful to other Comma users who have to use the secondary cable. But basically it splits that signal from that 1 cable off back into the 2, where the long signal goes into the secondary port and the standard Comma signal goes into the OBD-C port. Now, as with some of the other Cross Glide and magnetic mounts available on Janka's website, this is compatible with both the 3X and the 4, and what that means is you can switch back and forth between the 2, and I know that's not something that's going to be useful for most people, but if you do happen to have both of these units, you can switch relatively easily, and I'll show you that right now on the screen. But of course, I understand this is a relatively rare use case. Now, with this being a slide mount, with the mount entry point being on the side, it is possible to get the Comma up closer to the rear view mirror with this particular design, which I've done here, and that helps get the Comma out of the way as much as possible of your view on the windshield. Another nice feature of Janka's designs is he does also have the custom designed USB cable for the main port, a nice low profile solution that looks great and keeps the clutter of the cables down to a minimum. I am actually also impressed with the way that the mount is built. It's all made out of machined aluminum. And while he says that the unit he sent me, which is kind of a prototype review unit, has some flaws, I personally wouldn't be able to tell if you were to ask me where those flaws are. It's very well made. It's not up on his shop yet, but should be soon. Janka tells me he's already in production, so keep an eye out. And I will also, of course, notify you guys when that link becomes available. Let me know down in the comments below, what kind of a mount do you guys use? Do you just use the standard mount that comes with the Comma? Are you using a magnetic or slide mount to make it easier to take the Comma on and off? Let me know what you think down below in the comments. As always, I appreciate your support for the channel. Please remember to like and subscribe, and enjoy the drive.